welcome to the new vlog. Today we are starting at my new home in Bangalore, and today we are starting a journey from Bangalore to Coorg to Wayanad to Mysore, and it is going to be, I think, a 5 days journey. And today is the first day, the day one. We are just about to start. We did not have the breakfast, so yeah, let's see how the trip goes. So my family has come yesterday night. I went to receive them with my brother. I have a short video of them coming from the airport, so I will insert it somewhere here. So I and my brother went on to receive my family. This trip was in the month of October last year. They started from Bhubaneswar at around 8:50 p.m. in the night on 4th of October and reached by 11:05 p.m. So this time my family tried their hands on vlogging, which you can see. So enjoy that part. So my family finally reached after their flight was delayed for about 40 minutes due to bad weather, and then yet again we were stuck in the traffic for around 2 hours in Tin Factory. I know Bangaloreans will truly relate to this. So we finally reached at around 2:20 a.m. in the night at our hotel. So next goes. So now I am at my place. As I said earlier, I'm heading to the hotel where my family is staying. It is like 200 meters from my place. So let's go see what they are up to. So we were finally ready to leave our Oyo Pride home at around 8:30 a.m. in the morning after a free and fulfilling breakfast for Coorg, enjoying the beautiful and amazing scenery that came our way. So I'll let you enjoy that as well. Now it was time to explore the Namdroling Buddhist Monastery in Bailakuppe, also known as the Golden Temple. Established in 1963, it is the largest teaching center of the Nyingma lineage of the Tibetan Buddhism in the world. This is about a 34 kilometers or an hour long drive to Coorg and 35 kilometers to Raja's seat, where we stayed that night. This temple has a free entry and needs about an hour to cover. It also has space for your vehicles to park. After that, we left to the beautiful Raja's seat, for which I'll be quiet for some time and let you enjoy the scenery. 270 kilometers away from Bangalore, this is a seasonal garden of flowers, spectacle of layers of greenery, chain of high and low rise mountains decorated with mist. Due to its breathtaking views of the sunrise and sunset, this was a one-time favourite of the Rajas of Kodagu, now Madikeri in the Coorg district, hence the name Raja's Seat. This place has very affordable hotels within a kilometer's radius. We decided to stay at the Raj Darshan Hotel for the night, which was about 100 meters from the Raja's seat, and decided to have our dinner in one of the famous chains of Udupi hotels. and visited the Spicewell Bazaar later. As we were heading for dinner in the chilly night, we saw my uncle covered in a shawl, and my brother started pulling his leg, asking if he was heading to the Himalayas. After a long and exhausting day, we had to sleep early as we had to start for our next site, Mandalpatti Hillview, exactly at 5 am the next morning, as you will get to see in the next vlog. Even though we were very tired, but nothing could stop us from having some extra fun, like so.